Hey guys, I'm excited to bring you this 2-in-1 electric barbecue grill brush from Misshappy. Type C rechargeable battery in there, 304 stainless steel brush, effortless, deep cleaning, safe for grill grates, waterproof. It's got an LED display. Here's everything that came in the box. Got a pair of gloves here, got a USB Type C charger, got a different roller here. It's kind of like Scotch-Brite, abrasive pad here, and then it's got a replacement pad for it as well when it gets too goobered up. Here's a look at the unit itself. Nice brush on there. Scraper here too. Here's the LED display. Okay, just hold it down to turn it off. Okay, so for changing this out and putting this wheel on, so just switch that to unlock and pop this off of there. Set that aside. And then this piece here just comes straight out like that. Take that off, and now this piece will come out. You put this piece right in there. And then put basically it's the axle right back in there. And set it to lock, and now we're ready to go with this thing. Got a nice clean surface to grill on now. All right, thank you for watching, everybody.